Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to add text to your composition in Adobe After Effects. So first open your After Effects software and follow these simple steps. Now the first thing that we will do is to create a new composition so we can add our layers. Layers basically are all the objects that you will add, either they were images, videos or animations, or you can add even Premium Pro projects or other Adobe products projects, and you can add them here. So now I will just click on it like this way, and I need to add a text. So basically I'm just going to right click here and just click on new, and basically you will have text here. So after that you will have this character panel. Let's just make it have it here. I want to just not toggle it. So basically this is your character panels. You can change the fonts. Let's change the color. So let's make the color darker. Now we are seeing our color, and basically you can uh, this is our, we can change it, and we can do other, like adding the its size. So let's just make it like this and replace it, and you can do animations on it. Also you can change like the width of the writing. You can change the spacing uh, between like the letters like this. They are more spacey now. Also you can add whatever you want in the settings, the form, uh, if you want them bold, whatever. Also you can change things here. And now after that we add the text, we can now animate by just doing some transformations like here, uh, not text but plus transform position, and we will start to change position like this, going now, going now, and then we will go here, and after that we will go back here, and now we have this animation. And then you just save your project, or you do whatever you want with all the transformations here. So basically this is how you add a text in Adobe After Effects. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.